So the Ga language is not here. When people study Ga in teacher training, they move them to their camp regions to go and teach something else.
Okay, Akwaaba no. I didn't know say the Ga Manche even had said something like that. What I yes. I was thinking the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum sign no. And it started here. But you see, Empress, the thing say, honestly speaking, the past few weeks, me share social media. I didn't know say Ghana food binom tribalistic, sir.
In January on United Showbiz, there was a serious debate on Akwaaba versus Oobakɛ. Arnold Baidoo zigamo ne Yaa Yeboah mo e clash omu nya chiro madwe e wo ho. Ebusia memo ahwe how a debate na etikoye. No wa chere wadwe e wo ho ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was say ni die mo. Obe like video no ada am subscribe button. Na ba click notification icon for latest updates. Na ba chere wadwe dia ama me e wo comment section. Mess was so baswa. No wa share for so enya bi ahwe. HNK be share when the signage be abie internet no so I say ko na eye Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park omo aye signage e de bebo ho aye signage no hweso na ebo aye say o ya akra o ya Ghana na ya akra bo obetua per visit o ya student ado betua per visit o ya panyini bo ado betua per visit o ya ohoho a o ya oba na be ma wo fie no saye ebibia wo so kama days omo bi any hours omo ya adwuma ekoturu any ade na signage no be na say Akwaaba e wo so bi na Akwaaba no eno na ganfo so mu ntia efiri say Kotoka International Airport ene Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park ne omo asase so nesie it identity asase so de a yakofo bi kro kasa na aba be hye anan as welcome ya ntiase bete na enyi Akwaaba ne friend fo mu omu no e kasa no Oobakɛ omu welcome note Oobakɛ no ena ento so but welcome so also but omu tell say welcome there normal ebroni kasa and omu the problem but Akwaaba ne account for kasa ne de omu problem edenyi Akwaaba ne video ne emfa Oobakɛ ena emete so eno ena se media so na government wan se bebrebe buburu jade apa aba bi kwaro asem no nyankansi ye no ganfo na kasa se omu nyina ho Kotoka International Airport last week no eyes na omu start omu ha ombesi a welcome akwantufo no with palogo dance bi ni ade here omu it is a kwan way so and we first always come akwantufo now this whole Akwaaba the Oobakɛ nsem and enro no ye dey argument na kopie mu United Showbiz on UTV na busia yanko ese de enkomo esi koye Arnold Baidoo versus Yaa Yeboah eni zigamo yekotiri se enkomo no esi ekoye
na enye problem if they are making claims to one of you, maybe a project or some culture and way of life. There's nothing wrong with that. Especially when omo land so ena yewo. It's not far fetched. Problem no approach no. And I like what the likes of Ablade TV, Choco TV, young folks know omo the energy be share nyama we no. It's nice. If they have done this, our energy, our groupings, they are shame see. If they've done it 10 years ago, 15 years ago, in terms of projecting the Ghana culture. It's young folks now pushes our agenda. It's nice. They should have done this a long time ago. However, mindful of approach now.
Mindful of
yeah. And Lutterodt call. You see, I did it started with the Nkrumah Mausoleum issue. And how come say yaye signage no, yaye Akwaaba, yaye Weasel, and then we leave it just like that. Empress, I think say disrespectful to the Ghana people. Okay. Because you see, including the Ghana for no crime, say Akwaaba no internationally recognized. They don't have a problem with that. Everybody knows. You can't even argue it out. The Akwaaba is sold. I don't think say there will be an apple. But why Akwaaba? What's not the ways of become?
Now we
jai the land now at the end of for me it is disrespectful.
Do you think sir Omoye said there ebia kasa beba ho.
I don't think so because it was there until somebody this one of the Blood TV or the Chocolate, one of these guys no in here and no the better or be highlighted. Sakedi akoya Akwaaba kan come yes say they doing apple. But to add Wozo and they leave Oobakɛ. Why? It's an affront to the people now. I didn't say someone. It means say you recognize apart from you recognizing the Akwaaba in your moon, accept say international recognized. What the Wozo so abekam and then leaving the Oobakɛ. What are you trying to tell them?
And I just say unu say be an strategy. Obama awareness ne ebeba.
Come on. I mean, whoever thought about that made a big blunder. Really insulting them in their face. Say yes, even the Akwaaba no kana magia to no, sand will be there above account and then leave yours.
Like you want to compensate and
send there or and they see how
you understand?
It's
now,
disrespectful.
They are problematic. Lutterodt koho. The way a man sad memorial park on. And you see, yet it's what he has not been addressed properly. Initially, we call say Omasan, they say AI editing.
That's and then people say AI.
No, people actually went there to Honda minister, not the airport. No, the that's where the whole thing started from. It's time away. Nico also we assistant son, and the minister no issue a communique say. Or more endorse will be and as a more validity and as a more authorized will be as a on. And then it came out say indeed they've changed it. How was it changed?
GTA say they don't know. They've not sanctioned.
Now GTA Oma ye bibi on.
Omunya hwefa so e kokon ho. And that is dangerous. Because how say edifice na wo ho no obi tumi gbowra ho. We nya approval wan ko fi ni approval process. Now say take it time as a originally home without any like no
and nobody saw him to question it or
that is so wrong. You mean what it means? They say if that matter is not properly addressed say GTA for 9 year investigation say obi na go authority or mass approval now a recipe for disaster. No, seriously. Because what it means is any youth group or any person there can go into any edifice and change whatever they want to change.
And statues around the country and all of that.
Everything I got my chetimika say, and then the per se, ye proper room. It's more beer mere store. Which mean question be say money mere store, but a constitutional man of quine say land near me community, it make tinya shamra. So, say gaman cheka say. Me lad we ya media enu ntino me pese me yusu Oobakɛ Oobakɛ and the dia ya ankan sewe. I'm telling you about that. And sewe or preserve our culture te se de obi aye ne de no so de bi che nitina me say wa peja akonya no so de bi che or preserve culture ankan se bibia na mom uhwe video na ye he na so how politely the gamanche no OCC kanofa or come here na ade na ba bontin e beda na conversation nipa one conversation no the regional minister Ledoku what they creating this confusion ade e company na they created that confusion because if you had watched that video need true SCC efa ka asam say one can by force say mu tintina mo koye Jamaica na watch say wo educate ama yate normal say but a radio station called the woman the way okasa ya no ai ya wakra yetimi for on sa kasa no ene na man kofo read meaning to it because we should not forget say yeni na you read we into current affairs the people of God has a bad precedent of changing names because yedi kan dey Accra Sports Stadium ato ohini janda amo omo akwa pepesi empe because that time now who that make catch say si ebeye name na the president and the community no etnasi the traditional rulers etnasi na oma jojo so according to them they sat down with Kofo and they asked me to name the edifice after ni lai a certain ni lai bia me say obon homode power galand no sabe way and Kofo bypass the koto ayi ye fa say Onijan so they didn't like it me I interview new Otoga Zaseche Me I interview that and Ghana Broadcasting Corporation on one catcher said this is what they discussed. So the bitching. So that precedent is there. When President Kufuor free the office, no one see the office, and the youth, young man, uncle, the crew, that's sir, our mentality and Kufuor tribu dada. So the new truth is out to clear that mess. So if you get a certain regional minister, not certain prejudice, you pull a job and one no one share the new truth can no bad one take precope becasa and then the sparky sir traba your friend said discussion in the country. And then the conference she created that problem. The regional minister. Because when they show video, if you are getting opportunity to watch it again, let's watch it. Not sure how a king you true, nana true kind. Why is was educating us? And he has the right. Etimibao, memento gafonina. Done a little about 30 million. They are not even up to 700 million, 700,000 in Ghana population. They represent just a 7 point something in Ghana population. We show 2021 population census by the Ghana Statistical Service. So we will sit down for you to, shatter them. Meme kwa sa mempene. Because you be we omi ku ma dem mempene. Eti sa na obi aso mpene. And one pene one fa kakabensem was say this is what I want us to do. I don't want my culture to be dissolved. As simple like ABCD. So, but ye timi ankura dini ye and a regional minister be create that confusion. I hope say regional minister na be kasa and can do sa level we are do.
So the Ga language is not here. When people study Ga in teacher training, they move them to their can regions to go and teach something else. And it's on record. Until your man go school, almost a can language.
So yes, into Ufi say Ga manche ne request no sa abine grant mana enka eye because ade ni si nkran asase so.
It is not two ways to argue about it. Say BBC I before I said you voter region. It should resonate and like I said resonate with us because it gives you that cultural belief. And the Gamancha called palace now or the Akwaaba Abonechia. How will you feel? Just like you go to the palace of the of Otunfo and Oobakɛ h0t. How will you feel? So it is not in the wrong place. But I think say the way we approached it, what must say? Tourism say we didn't sanction it. We say I didn't sanction it. Me dream say so anybody can go and do something anywhere. Say na muti wana makwa control next week. Lutterodt one. Na my people dey owo nyina na. What do I say?
Na baby ade ne bo no ho no government na ye and as individual.
So now, per the letter we read, the GD said say bibi because we no be because if it tourism ho. What say nyom no ye. Enti eni jo ye.
So almost say what they himfa no airport de omunye you
the be airport de omunye me che
kwame koma
ho de conversation this start
so almost na oho no so yes omo ye under ministry no omo de omo share tourism for no omo de only say
million
some
how scan innovation
no omo de any
the museum agency works under the tourism. Because creative island job be action as you want
to agencies need na share.
But according to said there maybe some research am I say omo to me no omo so omo kita no tourism phone to me be show omo.
That's not true.
Because honorable Krekumante
behind the tourism. Yeah, Ministry of Tourism. Directly.
Honorable Krekumante
it almost a sign omo
see almost sign letter na omo the letter by you. It's a name means someone say yeah who be on na.
But this one is editing. One say airport there na editing.
No, this one actually
this one there
the Memorial Park no they've changed it.
They've changed it.
I said yes. So the GTA official communique they said they are not aware. They didn't endorse the change.
Like
so that's how he's raising the question. How did the change happen?
Dangerous because like I said,
very.
Hello say.
Yeah, very.
Can
you so
and we go try.
Yeah.
And honorable Kekumante say no, former minister. I say this is an answer. They say call out the base and say what must say. No say renovation wo. They say hot flooding in so who is sanctioning it? Because on my say the tourism was making a lot of money from their place. as part of the IGF ayenya. So much one ya best say bibi. No mu let's say I don't even go about Tiana. Let's say let's sell a children but one day. Yeah. You must say Nkrumah to Lutterodt. Many beji party. I say I will give you the what I say. Make can say some so. But I think the approach could be the reason.
Okay.
All the requests the Ghana Manche is making, it's not displaced because last time we see Nima said you I was for there. I'm saying no, Nima nya was for crew. Nima
ohene.
Nima ohene crew. Enti man will be near Wusakasa. Man Momo B.
Wow.
Momo B.
So what happened was that it's like new town. It's new town. So when they separated Nime from the old town people, when the Nime are leaving and they are going when you are Momo B. We are going to old town.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Mamo B, which
it's
is
not Mamomo B,
which means old town.
So Mamomo B in a corrupted Mamomo.
So I'm saying that so Nima is not a word from the Islamic. No. Nima. Call here Tebibiashi, Lashibi. All these ones, they are Ghana words that came out as a result of something. Ajiri ngano. Any ajiri gado. Ajiri Branson.
Okay.
Ngano ni garden. Ajiri ngano.
Ngano. Hey. You can focus. You send the power.
What I say?
Oh man.
So everything that Ghana comes, it comes something like B. You understand that? When I say B, what does it mean?
Axe.
No, it's axe one. Axe.
Child.
It's correct. And it's same B as what?
Child.
Akwala. So me bisa. And me wa we e bisa de me bisa onnie. Owa inabi
me nyaba.
O nabi e inabi. Hey. And he said me wo Arnold me bisa. Owa say na me nyaba. So my grandchild now is mine. Inabi.
Wow.
So the language is difficult to learn, but it is conversational. For education purposes, so we no being say.
Empress, I think said this whole conversation about Oobakɛ Akwaaba no. I didn't know say the Gamanche even had said something like that. Yes. I was thinking the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum sign and it started. But you see, Empress, they tell me say, honestly speaking, the past few weeks, me share social media. I didn't know say Ghana for binom tribalistic sir. Na minim. Because me share videos being a said the uncle for Kano. It's only right that the Ghans will say because the airport is on our land, it would be nice that we have the Oobakɛ there, maybe the Akwaaba. Yes. So maybe we can do Oobakɛ Akwaaba, no Scrollico, then Wezolo can come, then Akwaaba can come and all. I honestly didn't know how it got so anxious, social media banter and all of that. And I think say it gives room to fester tribal,
Okay, now comments a producer ebo Gamanche Mpachoti.
See into Accra.
Oobakɛ. Now say indirect was a tone language,
No, so Oobakɛ.
Oobakɛ. Come to get to a place where people are demanding that the Akwaaba is chained to Oobakɛ. Is the Kwame Nkrumah?
And the AI naba pressure.
Because me tie the papa ne kana. I say mako Northern Palace. Na
thank you.
Ohimene kasa.
Oh kasa
no,
also just so
ebia akamuni ebekasa Akwaaba hadie. You can't say and I say I honestly don't think this
no,
is
say kaminya ya.
Anka. So I think said the back and forth on this thing is too much because my room for tribal bigotry. What you say? If we want to drive inclusivity as a country, it is only nice that if it comes that the one at airport, Oobakɛ, then when you go to Kumasi airport, you have Akwaaba. If in future there's an airport in Ho and it's Wezolo, and if it's in Tamale and it's the language that they speak, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I feel maybe how it was presented and how the people were going about it, and it doesn't sit well. That how does somebody all of a sudden go and change the signage at Kwame Nkrumah Museum and
somebody no authority on to me.
And I me but you see how the people that have the authority are saying that they did not sanction it. But the GTA, the Nkrumah Museum,
that's what
that is there now. So how did it happen?
And no,
because how does Obi government institutional property na me see edin na ewo ho ne yes sanity makwakwa kosesa openi bi ansha nti oni kofoni ye adwuma na obi ehu an question almost say maybe who asked you to bring this or why are you doing this and stuff like that. It's very strange to me. And for a whole Ghana Tourism Authority to come out and issue a statement saying that they didn't sanction that is actually problematic. A big problem. So that means to say obi abetumi asori akọ government institution bi ana say biaye bia ka say edina eda ho na nye dentime sesa no yentumi question obi ayenchi obi amusan because that's if I'm not using the right word vandalizing government property and ameba because said the wa ko say na to afi na wo de akwakosi wo
vandalization they mean kasa by replacement.
So
vandalization there's
well, I think say as a country say you be driving inclusivity because say anya ne saa ne so a ebe festa saa commentary no na yen kan for the yen sant for the yen say there
we are one people.
What's here say we have to one people one love. We have to do things representing in as Ghana the red gold green and black no. It's for all of us. And I think say sa kasa we ni ade no edin chichemu ni mpai mu and mu as Ghana. And one of the things that Ghana always we are proud of and is that Ghana is a peaceful place. Ghana is this. There was this research that was released recently and Ghana was ranked 3rd or 2nd.
Global Peace Index.
Yes. And you know, if we are
drop it.
If we are going to give room for such conversations a day and media temone sanya manebana MY. So I think the best thing to do is to drive inclusivity as a country. Oobakɛ, Akwaaba, Wezolo, all is welcome.
So when you are going to run obi ade buy, United Showbiz panelists for no. We are going to obi ade buy. What's your submission? Chira your mommy ewo comment section. I have Penyah Media. Accra.